American Transit of Tampa International Airport of Tampa, Florida. Okay, that message is getting on my nerves.
Economy parking and rental car setup. For your safety, please secure belongings. Hold handrails firmly and take young children by the hand.
This train is bound for the rental car and public bus station.
The second stop is rental cars. The first, I believe, is a
Oh, I guess there's more than one.
Do you want to head to this?
Track. I don't know.
Easy access to the main terminal. Economy parking and rental car setup.
I don't know what these are. I feel like Mitsubishi crystal mover or something like that. I'm not entirely sure.
No, you sit right there.
Someone can probably tell me, or I may find out. This is brand new.
The doors are closing. We're about to depart. For your safety, please stand clear of the door and hold handrails firmly at all times. Next stop is the economy parking station. This train is bound for the rental car center station. Smoking is not permitted within the train system.
It said the other one was not in service. What? Anyway, there's the other one.
Please remember to hold handrails firmly at all times.
Okay, whatever, I don't care. I think that's more of the 500 areas. I think, I don't know. I haven't been to Tampa since 2013. At the airport, at least.
Please remember to hold handrails firmly at all times.
That message is getting super annoying. I think there may be some more 5500s coming up here. Here's some 1980s office building, maybe.
Please remember to hold handrails
Sorry about that.
at all
Sorry about
times.
the cutoff. I ran out of
Next
storage.
stop
It may
is
happen
the rental
again.
car and public bus station.
Oh yeah, this is the first stop. We're getting off the second stop.
Smoking is not permitted within the train system.
I don't know what they're gonna build
We
there.
are approaching the rental car and public bus station.
That's a short
Doors
journey.
will be opening. This is the final stop. Rental cars and public bus